Hey everybody, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is paycheck day. Well, it's kind of really not a paycheck day because my paycheck was crappy. But anyways, we are here and we are going to be stuffing some cash envelopes. We're going to be stuffing our sinking funds also. So hit that notification and hit that subscribe button also, and let me know what you're going to be doing this weekend and how you're going to be saving also. So let's just get right into it. Estimated $1,000, which I have no idea why I'm estimating $1,000 because I did fill all of this out maybe sometime last year, but so my actual amount was $283. So $283, which is really, really sad. But, you know, I'm trying to get through college and everything and trying to make good grades. So we do have money in our savings that we have put back to help us. We did get our stimulus check also. Jared has been helping tremendously on paying the bills and everything, which I am so grateful for him. So we're just going to go and write down everything that we are going to be paying. So our bills, house is $250. Car is $249. Phone is $35. Light bill is $80. Credit is, let's see, $95. Loan, I'm not spending anything. I do not have a gym anymore. And then Jared is paying the internet. I do have loan, but they are in, they're frozen because I am in college, so they froze that. And then because of everything that's going on, they are furloughed and everything. So, yeah. And everything was paid for, not transferred, but paid. And we are just going to do that. So the total was $691. And like I said, we did save $500 and so last paycheck. And if you have watched my stuffing video, you would know that that $500 did get transferred to our savings account just so I can have it right there. And then we'll transfer it back. So I think it was like, I can't remember. Let's see, $597 is how much we put there. So let's see, $597 minus $691. So $94 is how much we just had to use for the $283. But like I said, we did get our stimulus check and all other stuff. So Jared did give me some of the money from his stimulus check. And then I did use some of my money, which that will be into our sinking funds and everything, which I will explain that. So let's just go ahead and we are going to stuff our cash envelopes. So we are only going to be stuffing groceries and gas because I did eliminate fun money because I'm not doing anything fun lately. We did decrease our grocery budget for me from $100 to $60, and then gas has always been $60 and will continue to be $60 because I need it. Thank God that my car gets good gas mileage because gas is outrageous right now. I think it was like, we were down to like 184 and now it's like 274, which is crazy, you guys. Absolutely crazy. So we are going to be putting $60 into groceries, which Jared said that he will be paying for the grocery bill. And this is for like Ibotta or anything like that, or any like snacks or anything at school that I wanted to get. All right, gas, we have $6 left. And we are going, oh look, a quarter. I'm going to put this in my debt jar. All right, so gas, we are going to be doing $60. 20, 40, and 60, and that should last me. All right, so that is everything that we are going to be stuffing. Now I have $5, $6, and $7. So $7 is left from our cash envelope. So this will definitely be going towards the Budget Mom Challenge and also the 52-week challenge. So if you have not seen any of those, go ahead and go and click the link down below. It's the 52-week challenge. Go ahead and comment your guess so then you can be in a running for a $10 Amazon gift card. All right, so moving on to sinking funds. Now, sinking funds is primarily going to be stuffed with my stimulus check and then part of Jared's stimulus check. So Jared and I just both got $1,400. $1,000 is going to go towards wedding, which I have already emailed them and everything. So that will be taken out of our balance that we owe for the venue and the catering and all that stuff. Out of $400, out of $1,400 from Jared did give me $400, and he did also get a bonus, so he will be giving me a couple of more $100 to go towards the wedding, but I do not have that part with me right now. I would save it for the next stuffing videos if you would like me to stuff it live and everything for you guys. So for right now, we're going to be skipping wedding. Well, actually, he did give me $100 last week, and I forgot to stuff it. So we actually going to have $500 to stuff in the wedding this time. All right, so medical is going to be getting $10. Car maintenance is going to be getting $10. Special occasion is going to be getting $20. College is going to be getting $5. Christmas is going to be getting $5. Renewal is already fully funded, but we are going to still count some of it, but we're not going to be stuffing anything. House is $5. Vacation is $5. Dobby is $5, and I did forget to add beauty, and that is going to be $5 as well. All right, and then we're going to be doing wedding last, which should be $500, but we're just going to make sure. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and grab this, and we will put this aside so it's easier for us to count and everything. All right, so first off, it's going to be medical, and medical is going to be getting $10 this time. So 1, 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. So $160. Car maintenance is going to be getting $10 as well. I don't have anything coming up for car maintenance unless something dramatic happens, knock on wood, but I should be building this up just to get a oil change. 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 30, 20, 40, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. So that is 1, 2, 3. So 380, which is awesome. Maybe we can do a $20 bills and equals out to $400 next week. Special occasion is going to be getting $20. I should be buying my dress soon for my sister-in-law's wedding. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and 46. So $146, which is awesome. And that can be enough for my dress. And then the $46, I do need $70 to do my hair for the wedding. So I have to go ahead and pay for that also, which we're almost fully funded, which is going to be great when that is fully funded, so I do not have to worry about that. Let's see, college is going to be getting $5. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So $18 for college. All right. Christmas is going to be getting $5. Like I said, I'm not stuffing this as much because we are using Ibotta to fully fund Christmas and Black Friday this year. 2, 40, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, and 82. $82. Which I think I am over $200, but I can't remember exactly how much I'm over with in Ibotta. I will have to go and check that out. Renewals, we are fully funded. So 1, 2, 40, 60, 80, 85, and 90. So $190. I have debated on putting $10 in here just to, you know, have a even $200. But, I mean, we'll see. I could do it and I couldn't. I don't know. I don't know what to do. All right, so let's skip down to beauty because that is our next envelope that is up. So that is going to be $5 as well. So 5, 10, 15, 20, and 21. $21. Now I could use this for my sister-in-law's wedding also, so it's just really, it's all up in the air. It just depends on how much money I have in each envelope at the end of it, at the end of September or so. All right, house is going to be getting $5 as well. That's 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, and 47. So $47. And we do need to save $220 for the HOA fee. So Jared's part is $120. And then my part is also $120. Actually, $110, my bad. All right, let's see. So vacation is going to be getting $5. And I think I messed up somewhere, but we will figure that out also. Let's see, where is... Actually, I think vacation is supposed to be getting $15. Let me make sure, because I have it written down. Yes, so vacation, if you can see, I just wrote this down like really fast. So vacay is supposed to be getting $15, and I actually just put $5. So we're going to fix that, which is totally fine. All right, let's count that. 1, 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, and 75. So $175, which is great. And then sweet, sweet little Dobbs is going to be getting $5. Jared's supposed to go and get food today, and I told him to use the envelope, but he didn't. He just swiped his card. So we're not going to be losing $40 on dog food, so we're just going to keep adding it up just for Dobbs then. 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, and 47, so $47. All right, and now we are on to the wedding fund. So the wedding has a lot of dollar bills, and we are going to be putting $500 in here. And I believe most of this money is going to be going towards a photographer. So super excited about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 5. Go ahead and put that. All right, so let's go ahead and count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 40, 60, 80, 9, 20, 40, 60, 80, 10, $1,000, which is crazy. 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. You gotta turn these around. I'll do it later. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. So we have $70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So $1,070 is how much we have saved up for wedding, and I just put $1,000 towards the venue, and then most of this is going to be going towards a photographer and probably some other things that we need to pay for. But that is awesome, and Jared is going to be giving me I think $200 from his bonus check that he got from work, and also he has not got his taxes yet. He did just do it like a week ago from today. So he is getting, I think, like $1,200, so he'll be giving me some more money from that. So we are super excited that the wedding is coming along very well. And yeah, so let's go ahead and tally all of this up, because that is super fun. So 1,070 plus 160 plus 380 plus 146 plus 18 plus 82 plus 190 plus 47 plus 175 plus 47. Oh, keep messing up. For 47 and plus 21 will equals to a total of $2,336. So that is awesome. And if we didn't even have a wedding budget, I would only have $1,266. I'm going to be kind of glad whenever this wedding is over, because then we could put all of this money into other savings, sinking funds, which would be awesome. Like the wedding will be gone most likely, and then the college will be done as soon as I'm done with college, and then the special occasion can be almost done. I'll probably just keep it for birthdays or something, but it won't be funded as much as usual. But yeah, so that is it, you guys. That is the sinking funds for paycheck number 2 for March. I thank you for coming along and hanging out with me and watching me count money, watching my savings grow. And thank you again. And be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on, let's see what day, on Tuesday actually, for the 52-week challenge. So go ahead and check that video out from last week so you can be entered for a $10 Amazon gift card. All right, you guys, I gotta go study anyways. But love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.